Now we're going to go back to the stage right behind me, and here's some wonderful music.
I am a servant of the Lord, a defender of His faith. I hear the cries of the poor, lonely souls. I'll help the helpless child. Forgive them, Father, they know not what they do. Not knowing that the child, it comes from you. But please fill their hearts with compassion and love for the child. Tell me, Mother Mary, what shall this man do? I am a servant of the Lord, a defender of His faith. I hear the cries of the poor, lonely souls. I help the helpless child. Please help the unborn child. Pray for the unborn child. God help the unborn child.